Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm currently sitting in the all-new 2021 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 2 1000. In this short video, I want to discuss the drive mode on the standard edition 2-seater and 4-seater. If you look in this location right here, this is the space where on the XTR and the special edition models, the D mode switch would be housed. It's got a nice clean cover plate on it. But what mode does the standard edition come in? We probably get several calls a day asking about this feature, so I thought, heck, let's do a video. So when you turn on the switch, you'll be able to see on the dash that the standard edition does come from the factory in the trail drive mode. Now the trail drive mode, it is my favorite mode by far. You're gonna probably use that more than any of the modes that are out there. You can let me know if you're wrong for you guys that have the XTR or the special edition. So if you have a standard model, can you add the 3-position drive mode switch? And the answer is yes. It retails for $299.99. It is a plug and play simple operation. All you're gonna do is take this cover plate off, simply grab a little flat blade screwdriver and that whole cover will pop off and you'll be able to install that drive mode switch and change those on your standard edition 2 and 4 seat RMAX 1000. It is backlit just like it is on the other models. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. The part number for the drive mode switch is B4J87280100. Again, with an MSRP of $299.99. Give us a call if you have any questions. Enjoy your new RMAX 1000.